Hi, Jeffy with HYTE. Today, we're gonna show you some tips and tricks on fan configuration with the HYTE Y70. Let's get into it. Installing the fans on the rear and on the sides is pretty straightforward. What I want to talk about today is how to install fans and various ways of doing it on the top and bottom of the case. Let's start off with the top. This is a toolless top panel. There's a space here to put your fingers in and just pull up, like so. You're gonna see that this top bracket for the fans can be removed from the chassis. To remove, you loosen these two thumb screws located here and here. After that, you wanna push towards the front of the case, then pull out. You can see the dowels are located here. There's extra holes in the bottom to adjust this down. Push down, and then you can see it's about an inch or so lower. You can go ahead and put the thumb screws on this position down here. The reason why you want to do this is if you don't have a AIO up here, so you're using our Q60 on the side, your fans will sit lower. And say you have some fancy fans with RGB lighting and you want to show them off, bringing this bracket lower will enable it to show and peek through the bottom of the case, the side of the case, I mean. If you have AIO up here and bringing it higher suits your needs better, you can go ahead and bring it back up. Push towards the front of the case, lift up, bring it up a step, line up the dowels and holes. You can see now it's flush again. Put back the thumb screws, and you're done. Let's now move into the bottom of the case. First, remove the dust filter. Now we're here at the bottom. Pretty straightforward if you want to install 2 fans, but if you want to install 3 120 millimeters, this is how you do it. First, you mount the middle one here. Please take note of where the holes are being mounted to. Now that you have it mounted onto the case, like so, the other 2 fans you're going to have to put into the case, like so, and mount it while you press it with the bracket because it tucks into the chassis of the case. Go ahead, put this in. Install the bracket while the fans clear. Get that screw in. Now you have 3 120 fans on the bottom. A little snug in there, but at least you have 3. Go ahead and install your dust filter. And there you go. Hopefully those tips and tricks to help you install your fans helps you out. Enjoy your Y70 Touch. Can't wait to see what you guys do with it. Don't forget to tag us, hashtag HYTEUpSetup, hashtag HYTECurious. See you guys on the flip side.